still using the old version of CapCut because it's free, you're not alone. But lately, CapCut has been auto-updating, even if you didn't ask for it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to block those sneaky auto-updates and keep using your favorite free version without interruptions. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and drop a like. It really helps me create more content like this. Thanks for the support. Let's get into it.